Hello there, I'm Marlon. I'm the service manager over here at Vindis Service Centre, Waterbeach. And we're just 4 miles outside of Cambridge on the Cambridge Research Park on the A10 going towards Ely. Now we understand that our customers need transportation. We offer loan cards for you to have for transportation. If you're in a hurry, we also offer contactless check-in so that you can just drop your keys with your registration and your check-in details and get on with your day. If you choose to wait with us, we have excellent facilities. These include free Wi-Fi, refreshments, comfortable seating, a children's play area and also a business pod should you need to get any work done. And the services that we offer that you can take advantage of are MOTs, servicing, mechanical work including warranty repairs, excellent repair facility for alloy wheel refurbishment and small smart repairs, and finally, to support that, we have a comprehensively stocked parts and accessories department. And in addition, we are a battery competence centre, meaning that we are one of very few dealers in the country on VW and Škoda that are qualified to carry out high voltage repairs to customers' vehicles. And for our current range of Volkswagen and Škoda electric vehicles, including our future models, we have 3 charging bays, including a rapid charger. So if you have any questions or queries, or like to make an appointment, please don't hesitate to get into contact with us. Otherwise, we look forward to welcoming you here at Vindis Service Centre, Cambridge very soon.